What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. Today we're doing something different because we are in Detroit, Michigan. My first time in Michigan, my first time in Detroit. We're only here for 24 hours. We have a lot to do, so let's go get started in our day. You know us, we're gonna do a lot of eating, we're gonna do a lot of sightseeing, and we're gonna do a lot of shopping, so come along with us. Our first order of business we must attend to, donuts. Okay, I heard these were pretty good. And the place looks so cute. Look at it. Okay, theming. 8-1. Duke Donuts, Detroit. I like these. I'm a fan. Didn't think I was going to like them as much as I did, but I did. And we got a lot of stuff to do today. Oh, wow. And look, there's Ford Field. Hey, that's where we're going later. That's funny. Their baseball team is the Tigers and the football is Lions. Tigers, Lions, Bears. Oh, my. Of course, it's not baseball season, but still cool. I love cities that have their stadiums like in the city like this. I think it's awesome and supports such like a nice fan community. OMG, the Little Caesars World Headquarters. I've never had Little Caesars, but there's their world headquarters. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. Okay, this is what I'm saying. This is so cool. I wish New York had a Rangers thing like that. Look at that. Hockey Town. It has the Red Wings puck up there. For an original 6 team, Rangers get no love in New York. That's facts. And right there is the Little Caesars Arena where the Red Wings play. They now have Patrick Kane, former Ranger, former Blackhawk legend. So Camerica Park, Ford Field, and Little Caesars Arena. Look at them. Right across the street. Here's the Fox. This looks awesome. Detroit's finest entertainment. Right next to Little Caesars headquarters. Down the street from Little Caesars Arena. See, if they had this for the Rangers, I would be here like every day. The Hockey Town Cafe. I don't think it's open yet, but like look at the Red Wings. So cool. Oh wow, here's Columbia Street. And they have a lot of Christmas decorations. This is cute. This is so cute. They have a tree decked out in Red Wings gear. Wow, look at that. This is so cute. This is so nice. Look at the big elf. I love it. Here's a Lions tree. How fun. We're number 1. It's going down. Very nice. There's vomit on the sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. Here's the M&M's. Mom's spaghetti.
There's people in there.
It opens at 4 o'clock.
There's a lady in the kitchen.
Wow. It says order in the alley and eat your stuff here. Looks cute in there.
They sell Charleston Chew, deodorant, Junior Mints.
Interesting. It's like a little toiletry shop too.
And hot fries.
Okay, so this is where you order. So that's from the M&M song Lose Yourself. He's from Detroit. So in the song it goes, there's vomit on the sweater already, mom's spaghetti. We have arrived at Belle Isle Aquarium. So the conservatory is actually not open. Boo. It is under construction, but we'll check out the aquarium. We're here. It's still super early in the morning. So let's go. Oh, this is it. Okay. It's a cute little thing. Free admission, but if you want to donate, you can. Okay, that was a cute little aquarium. It's still only, I think it's like 10 o'clock in the morning, so it's bright and early. There is a lot of land on this island here. They have a free nature center. They have a bunch of fields. We're lucky we got a nice day. There's Joey. Oh no, I fear it's Mom's spaghetti. We're walking around Belle Isle Park. And what you may not have known about Detroit is that you look across this river right here, and guess what that is? Oh, Canada. You can see on our handy dandy map here. There we are. And there's the border. On the other side.
Windsor,
Canada. And that bridge is going to take you over to Canada. So grab your passport. Head over to Canada if you like.
the Detroit-Windsor Tunnel.
Wow, that's crazy. Look at that. Like America, Canada, side by side. We got so lucky with such a nice day. We were worried about the weather and it like snowing because, you know, Detroit, it's always like cold up here. but I'm warm. Like, I'm actually very warm right now. Sunny, beautiful day here. And there's Canada. All right, so I think that does it for us here at this park. It's kind of just a park. We did a lot of walking, walked around, got some exercise in, because now we are headed to get some barbecue. You know, if there's a barbecue joint, we're gonna go and try to find it. So we are headed to Slows BBQ. Gonna call an Uber, get in the Uber, head over and get some food. But don't think this means that we're not gonna be going to try Coney Island later. I'm excited for that, so stay tuned and give this video a like. I am quite literally so excited. Here we are, award-winning BBQ since 2005. And the prices are really reasonable. Like, by the pound, a half pound of pulled pork for $11, that's what I'm gonna get. Sides are mostly $3. The mac and cheese, the waffle fries are $5. And on all the tables comes with apple, sweet, spicy, NC, and SC sauces. Oh, I'm so excited, and I'm starving. They have some wine, and of course, a draft list. You can scan the QR code to see all that, and cocktails. $2 for a fountain soda? That's really good. Draft root beer. That sounds so good. Joey just can't wait to try these sauces. He's like so excited about it. So he's literally, Joey, can't wait for your barbecue. He's trying them on his knife right now. And they have a whole description on the menu of each barbecue sauce too. It reminds me of like the allergy test. You know, like when they do allergy test on your arm.
For sure. Go with the mustard. Big City Juice, IPA, New England style hazy.
OMG. All right, Joey, phone eats first. Joey.
Take a look at that. Come here. Oh, are you looking at it?
Yeah, we're here. Joey, all right, we didn't even introduce the food yet. He's digging in.
That's insane almost.
All right, we have a half rack of ribs,
Oh my God.
cornbread, beans, waffle fries, half order of waffle fries, so that was $3.
Stop. I'm calling it. That's the best side that I've ever eaten in my life.
There's the brisket. Here's my pulled pork. It actually looks amazing, and the mac and cheese looks amazing as well. Okay, I started off being meh about it, but I actually really enjoy this pulled pork. At first I was like not sure about the sauce or whatever that's on it, but loved it. So delicious. Joey, he ate the plate too. As you can see, it's all gone.
Plate's moving its way.
The plate's gone. The mac and cheese was okay. A little disappointed in the mac and cheese, but that cornbread was amazing and the fries were amazing. This might be a meal that I dream about in the near future. That pulled pork and half pound. It was a huge portion size for only $11.
This beer is twice as good as the last one. The Psychedelic Catgrass from Shorts Brewing Company. I liked everything, clearly. It's gone. The ribs were amazing. They weren't necessarily fall off the bone. They were a little more overcooked than you would typically be accustomed to.
What happened, Joey?
I don't know. He just wrote "Goff" with an exclamation point.
Guys, we came to Detroit, Michigan to see Jared Goff. Like, that was why. Like, we came for Jared Goff.
I'm having a heart attack.
Joey, I think,
He's fine.
might pass out if Jared Goff does not play, because that's the reason we're here.
He's fine.
He's fine? Are you sure?
I think.
His friend just texted him Goff, exclamation point.
Thought he
So
got hurt.
we thought he was hurt. So he likes him because he was on the Rams. Insert picture. I said he was on the Rams. Insert picture here of Joey and Jared Goff. So when they traded him, he was very upset. So now we are here supporting the Lions for Jared Goff. Be sure to check out that video. I'll link it in the description of us going to the Lions game. Okay, Joey said we had to try the carrot cake. So here's the carrot cake. How much calories can we consume in this video? Let's find out. Joey said that I should title this video "Man Breaks Detroit Food Record" because of how much we're gonna eat today. Okay, but that carrot cake was actually incredible. So moist, so delicious. 10 out of 10 recommend. Goodbye, Slows BBQ. You're cute. And you were delicious. But I will say we had a very hard time finding the door because like this is the restaurant and then they have like a door over here. But this is the door. So we were like walking back and forth like where is the door to this place? That's it. All right, we have made it to Cadillac Square. Looks like they have a little Christmas market going on, so let's go explore. Look at this ice rink. It looks so fun. What a cute little outdoor market. We're gonna go across the street to Cadillac Square, and this looks like they have some shops over here. And the world's tallest kettle. This is so fun. They have some cute stores, some shops, Christmas gifts for all ages. Oh, look at this bear. He's so cute. Look how fun this is. They do this so nice. Look at this fun area. Welcome to the Midway. That's so fun. It's hockey mini golf. No way. That's awesome. Puck putt. I love this place. This puck putt is free to play. New York would never. This would be like $50 in New York. All we gotta do is fill out a waiver online and they give us a wristband and we get to do this for free. I haven't played hockey in a very long time, so this should be interesting. Some may call me Patrick Kane. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. Hockey mini golf. Oh, close. Oh, that's a big 3 for Joey. This is crazy that this is free. Nothing in New York is free. Like, oh, right? No. We can't wrap our heads around it. Oh, that was pretty good. All right, look at this one. This one's an interesting one here. Go ahead, Joey. Show us how it's done. Oh, come on, cheater! Cheater. This is so fun. Hole 7. Woo! Woo! Last hole, hole 9. This was so cute, so fun. 9 holes, free. Amazing. Even the slide is free. We love this. They have fire pit out here. How cute is this? They have seesaws. These look like they might be here all year round, but what a nice little area. Look at these swings. Wow, fancy. They have bumper cars too. How fun. That was so much fun. I loved that. On the corner of Surf and Stillwell, history is made by Joey Jaws year after year. Oh wait, this isn't that Coney Island. Just kidding. We're here trying the Coney Island hot dogs. Coney Island, they're just called Coney Islands, not Coney Island hot dogs. I don't know. It's like a Detroit, Michigan type thing. So we're gonna try them out. All right, so it's 2 brothers that came over here and opened these Coney Island shops, and they're famous because they're right next to each other, Lafayette and American Coney Island. There's a big debate about which offers the best Coney Island. Will it be American or will it be Lafayette? The word on the street is American makes its own chili, still from a family recipe, and it's more beefier than Lafayette, but I've heard that Lafayette is better, so we're gonna see for ourselves. All right, we're starting on American. Best of Detroit, American Coney Island, best Coney. This has your name written on it.
We've got chili, hot dog, mustard, and onion. The hot dog, it's got like a lining on it, kind of.
I don't like that either.
I don't like the lining. When you bite into it and you feel it kind of crack. The mustard is very poignant. You can kind of taste it. The chili has a little bit of spice to it in a good way. A lot of places you'll probably get some bland chili. Toppings in the bun are very good, especially the bun. We'll go 7.3. Let's see if Lafayette can beat out American.
The hot dog's really good. The chili is good too. This is pretty much turning into a Joey Palace video with all the food.
Give the people what they want.
Okay, stop number 2, Lafayette. It was hot in there, I'll tell you that. All right, here's Lafayette's. This one has a lot more onions. See, I don't like the skin on my hot dogs like that, to be honest with you. Let's try it out. I will tell you that American has a way better interior. Lafayette was about 400 degrees in there. $3.75 for this. Yeah, that's right up your alley, Joey. That's all you.
The bun, way softer.
Softer.
A lot more onions, a lot more mustard. A little less chili, it seems. It's just a flavorful hot dog, y'all. I think I like that one more. 7.6.
All right, even though I'm not the biggest fan of those kind of hot dogs, let's say, it was still fun to go and try and explore. They're $3.75 a hot dog. Joey liked it. Joey had fun, and I had fun too. So, and it's right in this Cadillac Square, pretty much. So if you're in Detroit, something fun to try out. It kind of reminds me of like doing Pat's and Gino's cheesesteaks over in Philadelphia. I have a video of that. I'll link it in the description. But we can't leave Detroit without trying some pizza. Ooh, all right. I didn't know it was like a restaurant. Bougie. Wow, this place is huge. All right, here's our Detroiter. This looks so good. We're trying Michigan Detroit pizza for the first time. I can't wait. This looks really good. This Buddy's Pizza is home of the original Detroit style pizza, so it was only right that we came here to try it out for the first time. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If the pizza is crispy, I'm gonna love it. This one, pretty crispy, pretty delicious. Krystal Palace approved. Tailgates are starting. We're gonna hit the casino in our hotel. We're staying at the Hollywood Casino Hotel at Greektown, and maybe we'll win some money for the game. Who knows? But once again, make sure to go check out that video. It's a whole separate video because that's a whole experience in itself. So just a little quick room tour. This is our room in the Hollywood Casino Hotel at Greektown. You can see there's the Cadillac Village that we were at. And here's our room. Pretty cool. Bed. Got a little closet over there. Drawers. Some seating area. Here is the TV. Vanity. Mirror. And then down here, oh, nice chargers. We're only gonna be here for literally one night, but just to show you the bathroom, it's pretty nice. I don't know, nice shower. It's great, perfect. All right, everyone, I think that does it for us, our day in Detroit with the Lions game, and that was perfect. That was honestly a perfect day because we landed at 8 a.m. We did what we needed to do. We got some great food. We saw some sights, went to the Lions game. Perfection. Thanks for coming along with me. If you've ever been to Detroit, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to give this video a like. Peace. Is this team good?
The Tigers?
Yeah.
No.
I've never seen Joey like so happy over food before. Like he's actually living his best life right now. And he gets excited over food a lot. You do.
I would say I like the way I look like a preacher. You can delete that part because that makes no sense.
All right, bye Slows. Bye Slows. It's been real. All right, then we're gonna cross the street and go to this. Joey, please.
I just got a cold in this restaurant.
Oh, please. There's Joey. What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Warming up.
It's not that cold. But this putt is free to play.
Over there.
So all we have to do is fill out a... Ow, Joey!
What?
You haven't played in a while.
Yeah, it's been like a year.
No. It's been more than that,
No,
sister.
I went to open hockey a year ago. After college, I got too fat, and then I just didn't want to play anymore. You have to say something.
I don't like mustard, chili, or hot dogs, or onions. I like hot dogs. I don't like onions, or mustard, or chili. Oh, me and Joey. No, I'm actually scared. We're gonna try to seesaw. Joey, I'm scared. Oh, I don't think I've ever been on a seesaw before. I can't breathe because I'm not going all the way down.